Although it is 2D, but you can see that it is reflecting like a three-dimensional image. Okay. These rods of same material. And this is again a good picture which shows that how this backscattered image is useful. A combination of EDS, this is aluminum silicon alloy, and a combination of EDS gives you the details about the composition of this microstructure. You see the plate like, rod like, small needle shaped structures. So if you focus your detector in such a way that you collect the signals from here, you can find out the composition. What is the composition? Similarly, you can find out the composition of these plates and composition of these rods. And I am sure the composition of these plates, rods, and the background, main material, are different. That is why you are getting the different peaks in the EDS. Okay, so EDS, secondary electron mode picture and backscatter electron mode picture, they give you different information, but all are very useful. Now, emission of X-rays takes place when the incident electron beam hits an electron from an orbit, and then the electron from the higher orbit goes and fills that space. So that energy space, that is fixed for any element, any atom. So when that higher energy level electron goes to lower energy level, so that energy release is a characteristic energy of that particular element's atom. And that is why it is known as characteristic X-rays. And these energy energy states you can detect, and it comes out in the form of peak. And those peaks you can identify, and you can say whether it is aluminum or iron or gold or platinum or so. For example, here nickel, some example, nickel K alpha 1, K alpha 2, different orbital state. What is the energy level you can get? And these are the equations: E is equal to h nu, where h is the Planck's constant, c is the velocity of light, and lambda is the wavelength of electron. You can calculate all these things using this. I'll leave these slides with you. You don't have to note down right now. So generation and detection of X-rays, I will not go line by line because many things I have explained.